Hi, I'm Daniel Bogdanoff from Keysight. Today we're going to look at the advanced signal processing and acquisition capabilities of the Infiniium S-series oscilloscopes. These scopes run from 500 MHz to 8 GHz and give you the world's best signal integrity and measurements you can trust. The world's best signal integrity is quite the claim, and we don't make it lightly. So how do we get there? The S-series scope family combines three special ingredients. First, an ultra-low noise front end ensures that your measurements are not affected by the noise introduced by your probe and scope. Second, a Keysight custom low noise 10-bit ADC provides 4 times more vertical resolution than an 8-bit scope. It also has a lightning fast sample rate of up to 40 gigasamples per second, so you can be sure you're catching all of your signal details at accurate levels. Third, an advanced FPGA incorporates frequency response correction filters that produce flat magnitude and phase responses, ensuring correct peak-to-peak values and rise times for your waveforms. The low noise front end, custom ADC, and advanced FPGA all enable the S-series scopes to achieve an effective number of bits of 8.2. This allows for the best signal integrity out there, giving you the ability to create breakthrough designs. All of this comes wrapped in some pretty sleek packaging as well. The scope body is just 9 inches deep, an extremely small form factor for a scope of this capability. The S-series comes standard with 4 analog channels, and you can get an MSO model, which adds an additional 16 digital channels. The user interface allows you to intuitively control your scope. Use the 15-inch capacitive touchscreen to streamline your testing process with over 50 automated measurements and 16 math functions. Quickly set up and analyze an eye diagram. Dive deeper using the tools in the analysis gallery, trigger and decode protocols, ensure your device complies with relevant standards, and easily analyze the frequency domain using up to 16 FFTs at once with greater bandwidth than a spectrum analyzer. All the while, the high-powered motherboard ensures that the user interface stays responsive even during deep memory acquisitions. The S-series scopes come equipped with a 240GB solid-state drive for a fast boot-up time, and even better, the drive is removable, allowing you to transport your scope in and out of a secure test area without compromising your confidential data. You can also offload scope data to a PC for further analysis using the built-in LAN or USB ports. Finally, the S-series scopes are ready to meet your unique measurement requirements with a host of upgradable measurement applications and over 100 compatible probes. For configuration questions or a demo, contact your local Keysight representative or go to www.keysight.com/find/contact us. You can also find the datasheet or get a quote on the Infiniium S-series webpage. Thanks for watching.